Hey guys, we got this Psier cigarette lighter splitter. It's a 180 watt cigarette lighter adapter with a Type C 20 watt PD and a dual QC 3.0 USB socket. It's a LED voltage display, individual with a switch car charger. So you can see comes with a provided this extra plugs, and then also this soft one. So two adapters, USB C and two USBs. So it can power up actually five devices all at once. So you can use it, and 3x faster charging and a real-time voltage detector as well. So you can also switch on and off in the individual switches. So that's pretty nice. And then there's multiple charging protection as well. So you can see like it can rotate, it can put in the car, and very handy and useful for the auto.
So I put it in my car, and this is one indicator here. So now I have two. I am putting one GPS through this, and then one USB-C and a USB. So you can control also individually there. You can turn around based on your need. So there's one USB I attached, and you can also individually control them. So pretty nice, and you can also see the wattage, what wattage is coming out of it from here on the top screen. So it's a good one.